If you like the stock market and want to invest in cryptocurrency and dream to be financially free, you're right place. Hi everyone. Welcome to Nepal. In this video, we are going to set up crypto.com account. Firstly, go to the Google browser and type crypto.com. At the front or display, you will find one page, and on top of the page you will see NFT. Then click Conft and start the journey. After clicking on NFT on the top right, you will find sign up bottom, then click on sign up bottom and fill all the detail. After finishing the detail fill, please click on finishing the detail fill. Please click on sign up bottom to proceed further. On your mail, crypto will send you email for verification. Click on verified and finished your account. Thank you.